Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and do a little bit of love to this thing. We're going to kind of give it some attention. Had a bunch of Bondo here. I already started sanding it down, kind of making it look better. A little bit level, getting rid of all that old Bondo. And then we're going to get some of that shape back. Probably going to go ahead. I do have another handle on here. I'm going to go ahead and put a new lock on there. Just give it some attention. Sand the whole thing down. We're probably going to go ahead and blast this thing. I took off the rear visor. Gonna redo that. Just got a turbo kit coming in for this thing. Super excited. So I might even take out the seats and do some interior upgrades. But we're gonna go ahead and start documenting this, guys. Yeah. So you guys stay tuned. Definitely gonna make maybe a couple episodes out of this. Definitely plan on putting on the turbo kit. I want to do maybe suspension. Well, the suspension's been done. I already did the suspension. Got some YBOs from Amazon. I did have some wheels, but I sold them. I bought some 16s. They were too small. I didn't like it. So these are 17s. We'll probably stick with these 17s. Or 18s, actually. These are 18s. We'll probably buy some more aftermarket 18s. Or probably, I don't know, I might save these and maybe restore them or something. But we'll see how this goes. Might even just wrap the car, might paint it. I'm not sure. I do have a compressor and everything, so we might do everything in episodes on how to do this process. So you guys stay tuned, like, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned to get some nice content of this. Thank you. Get all this Bondo off of there. Probably should use a plastic bag. Sand this all the way down anyways.
Thank you.